Okay, hello everyone. Today, as you can see, Bhagyashri madam, Raman sir, and I, Akshay sir, with cameraman Mubashir sir. We are going to tell you how to tie the national flag on 15th of August and 26th of January. First of all, you can see there are two ropes over here. For the one is this one, and second one is the lower one. So on the upper rope, you're going to tie the lock. You can see this lock. This is known as bitti in Marathi. You can say it as a lock also. So first you are going to tie to the upper rope, the lock, which is on the orange side of the flag. How to tie? You're going to divide the rope in two parts, and you're going to pass it the lock, and after passing, take a loop, make a loop, and cross it like this and pull it. So we have done with the lock for the orange side, which is on the upper. Now for the green one, that is the lower one. Now we are going to tie the lower rope for the green color. You're going to pass the rope and you're going to make a knot, simple knot. Yes. Now we have done with the ropes. That is, this is upper rope and this is lower rope. Now proceeding forward, how to fold the national flag. First you are going to put the orange side down and green up like this. Yes. Now as you can see, orange and green. After folding from this side, Raman sir is going to make, first of all, stretch the national flag so that we can make folds. After that, Raman sir is going to take small folds like this. Wait sir. First is you're going to fold. First fold, yes, down and up, down and up. Yes, like this till the end one, till the rope. Yes. Now we have done with the small folds. After that, now as you can see, the flag is folded. Now after folding, Bhagyashri ma'am is going to tie the lower rope, which is on the lower side. That is the green side rope. Yes. Yes, 1, 2. It depends on you. And after that, a small loop, so that you're not going to make a knot. Small loop, double loop, and that's it. We are going to keep it loose, so we are going to pull this so it gets open. Yes. Yes, see, it gets open. We are going to keep it like this. Again, we'll show you after taking 2 rounds. One from the below, and after that 2 loops. Yes, and a tight knot. Okay. Afterwards, coming to the flagpole. Now as you can see, I have 2 ropes. This is upper rope and this is lower rope. Now we are going to pull the lower one. We are going to pull the lower one slowly, so that the flag will go up. As you can see, the lock is on the upper side, and this should be on the up. As you can see, we are pulling now slowly. You are not supposed to pull this. Pull the lower rope. Yes. Don't give jerk while pulling. Once the flag is reached at the top of the pole, now you are going to keep the upper rope a little bit loose, like this, little bit loose. And now see, I have kept the upper rope little bit loose so that we can pull it. So now we have done with the folding of flag. As you can see, the flag has went up at the top of the pole. Now we are going to tie the rope. This is the upper rope which is loose and this is the lower rope which is tight. Now make round and round small. Yes. Now afterwards you're going to pull it, and after that you're going to take this rope from inside and from downward like this. Pull this and pull it tightly. Yes. Afterwards,
Anti-clockwise.
yes. And now tie the rope to the pole like this. Hold the whole rope. Don't keep any part. Don't keep gap in between the ropes. Yes. Once you reach at the end of the rope, now what you're going to do is you're going to take the end part and put it inside and pull it.
And
Yes.
keep it backside.
And keep it at the back so that it is not visible. Yes. Now you can see a flag is ready. This is the upper rope and this is the lower rope. Yes. Once the chief guest arrives, you're going to stand beside the chief guest and you're going to offer this rope. Yes. Most important thing, while doing this, you are supposed to not wear your shoes. Suppose now Bhagyashri ma'am is chief guest. Give her the upper rope. Now Bhagyashri ma'am is going to pull. Yes. Once it is done, take the rope from ma'am and again you're going to continue below. Again same thing, pull it and keep it inside and do it this way. Once you reach the end, take it inside and pull it tight. Yes. Now you can see the national flag how to tie it.